Welcome to part 2 of our 50 English conversation series. In this video, we will cover sentences from 18 to 34 and these will help you speak confidently at home, in school, colleges or at work. So friends, आज ये part 2 video रे आमे sentences 18 to 34 वाक्य को cover करिबा। एगुडी को आपन को स्कूल कॉलेज मान करे घरे किबा कार्यस्थल रे आत्मविश्वास सहित कथा बारे बहुत सहायता करिवो। And if you haven't seen part 1 yet, check it out in the description. जदि आपण ए जाय यार part 1 को देखि नांदी तबे निहाती description रे आको जांच करि नियंतु। And stay tuned for part 3. It's coming soon. Our part 3 मध्ये शीघ्र आसुची. So let us start today's video. किछि असुविधा नै. No problem. No problem. मो सहित कुह. No problem. पुणी देखा हबो. See you again. See you again. Repeat with me. See you again. Public places रे मोते पानी दरकार. I need water. I need water. Repeat with me. I need water. एहा केते. How much is this? How much is this? Now repeat with me. How much is this? मोर साहाय्य दरकार. I need help. I need help. Now repeat with me. I need help. बस कितने बेले आसीबो? When will the bus arrive? When will the bus arrive? Now repeat with me. When will the bus arrive? मु प्रथम थर पई एठागु आसीछि. I am here for the first time. I am here for the first time. अच्छा मो सहित कुह. I am here for the first time. मु एहा पसंद करे. I like this. I like this. मो सहित कुह. I like this. एहा बहुत महंगा. This is too expensive. This is too expensive. अच्छा मो सहित एबे रिपीट करो. This is too expensive. मु किछि चाहे नहीं. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. Now repeat with me. I don't want anything. अच्छा एबे हमें देखिबा at work बा स्कूल बा कॉलेजेस रे बा ऑफिस रे हमें कोन सब वाक्य व्यवहार करि परिबा. मोर विलंब हेउछि. I am getting late. I am getting late. Now repeat with me. I am getting late. दया करी ध्यान दियंतु. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. एबे मो सहित कहंतु. Please pay attention. एहा को लेखंतु. Write it down. Write it down. एबे मो सहित कह. Write it down. एहा को पढ़ी सुनाओ. Read it out. Read it out. मो सहित कह. Read it out. मु पुणी चेष्टा करिबी. I'll try again. I'll try again. आउ थरे मो सहित कह. I'll try again. भलो काम. Well done. Well done. Now repeat with me. Well done. ठीक की. Is this correct? Is this correct? Now repeat with me. Is this correct? बहुत बढ़िया फ्रेंड्स. आज हमें आउ नुआ 17टी इंग्लिश वाक्य सिखिले. But wait, we are not done yet. वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर आउ सब्सक्राइब करिया को भूलिबेनी. Part 3 is coming very soon with the final power-packed sentences. Don't miss it. तो कमेंट रे लिखंतु bring on part 3 to show you are ready for more। तो से जाए अभ्यास चालू रखंतु एवं सहजरे इंग्लिश कहबा को सिखंतु।